Mitchell J. Peterson. All those years, I picked rock, I baled hay, I shoveled manure. I was in the tractor chopping stalks, I load planters. I always told myself under my breath there was no way in hell I was gonna marry a farmer. And here I am, marrying you, a farmer.
In the morning when I wake and the sun is coming through, oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness and you fill my head with you.
If you know Mitch, you know he's also one of the most competitive, arrogant, sarcastic, cocky, loud, drunk, I don't know, the list goes on, people that you've ever met in your entire life. But when you really get to know Mitch, you know, the loving, caring side, the side that'll make him a great husband. I can say wholeheartedly, I wouldn't be half the man that I am today without the support, mentorship, leadership, guidance of Mitchell.
I just want to say, Mitch, treat Ashley like you treat your coin purse for sheephead. Always keep adding to it. Try to never take it away. Keep it safe and never lose her.
Pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I take it to a moment?
I heard a guy quote Garth Brooks one time said, "If you're not rich till you have something that money can't buy." So I've seen 3 of my daughters being born, and I've seen 3 getting married.
When the evening pulls the sun down and the day is almost through.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Peterson. You may kiss the bride.
Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you?
Watching Mitchell do something he loved to do was something I loved to do. And now watching him with Ashley, look at the light, has given me an even greater feeling of love. So my heartfelt wish for you two is that you always treat each other with respect and kindness, that Mitchell eats every lunch you pack for him, Ashley, even if the barbecue is dog food.